right, we have the motor mount here. There's two motor mounts. All right, this is a metric nut. These are new, these are old. They're probably the standard size nuts. The new ones are metric for whatever reason. That being said, I came here. Now this piece fits on one side or the other, and if you take a look, you can see the letter D. So this goes on the driver's side. So let me install the passenger side first. I'm sorry, the generator's out there running. That's just the way that it goes. If you look at the engine, this is the right side of the vehicle or the passenger side. We look, we can see the places where this mounts. The back end of the motor mount goes here, and if you look up here, right where my finger is, pointer finger is right here, that's where the other side of the mount goes. And of course the engine mount, the bolt faces out. So you're going to see that in just 1 second. All right, we're still on the passenger side. You see the pretty black brand new paint on the motor mount. That's new from NAPA. I'll show you the number. You can see the back bolt that's in there, threaded and tight. You can see the front bolt that's threaded and tight, and you can see the loose, because we're going to take it out when we put the motor in the vehicle, the bolt. And this is indeed a metric. This right here, the motor mount is metric. This is the motor mount part number right here, 602-1572 NAPA. And I got 2 of them. And here are the old ones. Old ones feel just a little heavier though, but anyway. So now we're going to work on the driver's side, and we're going to install this as well. We're on the driver's side. If you take a look, you can see the 2 mounts. Let me try and point them out, the places where this is going to connect. It is right here and right there. You can see the exhaust system that's here. And as we look at here, this is the mount that goes on this side here. This is the heat shield that's designed to protect from the exhaust. I'll show you that once I have it installed. All right, here's the upper portion, the rear portion, the driver's side, and the heat shield, and you can see why that's there, to protect the motor mount. Now I'm going to tighten it up, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, this is on the driver's side. Okay, and there's a few things I want to point out. The first being, here is the front bolt installed. Here is the bracket point, which is, on the V that we're going to set the engine in. And back here is the second bolt. You see the heat shield, and it's designed to radiate heat away from the mount. Okay, you should be able to see that. We have the oil filter. I don't remember which is a return. I think the center's a return, and right here is where the oil comes out. Goes out into the filter, around the filter, then back into there, I do believe. I also want to show you the all-important where the oil sending unit is, and it's right there in front of me. Hold on. Right there. If you take a look, it has a wire that comes straight down out of the wire harness. Here's the wire harness here, and it comes down from the top on down. And the reason I want to show you is that I had someone make a nasty comment about where the location is. So I'm going to put this in and also mention it oil sending unit location. It's on the driver's side, and is, of course, when you actually work on it, you're going to have the FL1A filter sitting right there. Okay, so it's hard to get to, but if you look, you can see it goes straight into the engine. Okay, it's not at an angle. The oil filter's at an angle, that is straight into the engine. Okay, straight into the engine. All right, so let me stop the recording here. That's what I wanted to show you. Now I'm going to set this on the set the engine on the ground.